Even though most people do have a mobile phone, Smartphone Tips hasn't proved to be very popular. So future Smartphone Tips will be merging into Greatest Suggestions. I may also update some old smartphone tips to reflect use with newer smartphones. YouTube links to the 6 remaining YouTube channels are in the description below this video. If you appreciated this video, please give it a like and forward the YouTube link to your friends. And to be notified of future video uploads, subscribe to Greatest Suggestions.